gonna make a quick unboxing video of the Corbeau Evolution seats. There's like no data or pictures really of them on the internet. Nothing on YouTube really. So I'm gonna open these up real quick just to give you an idea how they're packaged. Top box is the Corbeau brackets. I got the double latching ones for any, I don't know, 79 to 04 Mustang. '78 to '98 apparently. Pretty nice locking. And there is 2 of everything in these boxes. And some installation guidelines. These aren't really all that interesting. A bracket's a bracket. However the hell they managed to get 2 seats in one of these boxes, I guess we're gonna find out. I got these seats and brackets from Late Model Restoration, which they do not stock apparently, and they drop ship from Corbeau. So it took a little bit of extra time to get here. I'm trying to go easy with the razor blade, only at the seams, so I don't puncture a seat, but I'm pretty sure they're probably pretty tightly packed in here. And so it looks like they are in a plastic bag and bubble wrapped. They are pretty damn light. That's one. And two. Get this box out of here. So yeah, they squeezed 2 of those in a box all right. It really wasn't all that tight of fit. But as you can see, each one is in plastic. Each one is bubble wrapped underneath there. By the way, guys, don't make fun of my mismatched shorts and hoodie and slippers. I am relaxing at home, and the FedEx guy came knocking on the door, so I wasn't gonna get overly dressed just to do a quick unboxing video. Got one of these guys wrapped here. As always, be very careful with blades. Around anything fabric. I'm not sure if you can tell from the video, but I'm a pretty big guy. Any of the talks I had with Corbeau, it seemed like these Evolutions were a fairly wider seat with a broader base. So hopefully my fat ass should fit in it pretty good. I talked to a little bit larger gentleman at the American Muscle 2016 show who had these in his SF95. And he did say that they actually were pretty good for a fairly larger frame. So I would go with these. A lot of tape on these things. Now we're getting to the point. Start seeing some material. It's a little hard to adjust when they're not in the car yet. So, take over, you can see it wasn't overly fun with the red stitching option. My car's yellow, so I kind of wanted to go all black, but for me to order from Corbeau direct, it was an additional, I don't know, $180 or some shit like that for shipping. Late model restoration, I get a 6% off code, plus I get free shipping. So that definitely makes things a lot easier on the wallet. I deal with something like that, being able to get red instead of getting the black stitching like I can from Corbeau, but whatever. My interior could probably use a little bit of a color offset. Just looking at the initial stitching here, yeah, not too bad. I've had Recaros in the past. This is definitely not a Recaro. I don't expect this to be a Recaro. But for a cheap, you know, sub $900 seat, I think the retail on them was $898 for the pair. By the time I get the discount from late model, just for the seats was, I don't know, $820 or something like that, $850. Has this faux carbon fiber-ish type material on the outside of the bolster and the crotch area. Seat base seems pretty wide. We'll go get a tape measure real quick here, so we can measure how wide that is. I think when I spoke with Corbeau, they told me it was about 16.5 inches wide at the base. There's the beast that's going in, sitting on jack stands all torn apart. And one of my dogs who wants to come out and jump all over my new seats, which is not going to happen. Alright, so see, seat base at the front from inside bolster to inside bolster is about 16 inches. Again, hopefully my fat ass fits in there. More so at the back, about 12 inches at the back. The insides of the bolsters, from inside bolster to inside bolster, again about 12 inches. These things are pretty low to the ground. I'm kind of worried about how low they're going to be compared to my stockers, but we'll see. I'm going to try and get at least one of these in the car tonight, or today yet. So you can see the seatbelt attachments. They are in there pretty tight. They don't feel loose. And I've heard some guys talk about other seats. I think the Brown Racing, they say sometimes these are a little loose and they pop out. I know I've seen them pop out on some of their Caros, but a lot of those are probably beat. Again, that faux carbon fiber-ish material, Corbeau logo. Not overly fun with the logos, but you know, whatever. Again, it's a cheap seat to get rid of my stock seats. Feel isn't too bad, you know, it feels leatherish for being a, I guess it's a vinyl. I don't think it's a PVC, it's some kind of vinyl. Yeah, I mean, a nice solid feel to the adjuster over here. And I would try and sit in it while it's on the floor, but I know I won't be able to get back up because I'm fat and you guys will probably laugh at me, but otherwise, that's how they come from Corbeau.